TWR presents your daily video with the best market news, signals, and alerts. TWR simply is your one-stop shop. TWR Monday Madness. Team, before we get started, I just want to highlight TWR University. This is our digital online university with curriculum on various styles and strategies of trading and investing. All of our curriculum is 5 to 6 weeks of equivalent digital content. And I got more information at the end of the video, but I would just want to highlight and put this into your guys' mind. So go to the website, traderswarroom.com, see what kind of courses we have available. We take the cradle to the grave approach with your trading and investing. We truly want everyone to be battle ready to go out there and attack the market. And that's what we do with Traders War Room. So I hope to see a lot of you take these digital courses. I hope to see a lot of graduates, and I hope to see a lot of you make some money. And go to the end of the video to get more information.
In the Traders War Room, warring with the market every day, we on Zoom. Never gonna quit, ain't no way we gonna lose. I done made a profit and it's way before noon.
Activate your 2-day trial of TWR All Access on the Discord platform. Stay tuned at the end for upcoming products and services. TWR Alert Update. Google was a nice cheap double up for us. Who said trades have to be expensive to make us some money? Enter at 41. We went ahead and trimmed main position out at 80. Left some runners to see if we get continuation to the next day. But overall, a great trade right there and for a good price tag. We closed out of our swing position here in square, full position. This was a great trade we've been eating off of for a while now. 96, we went ahead and closed out full out today at 4. That's over 300%, guys. And it was time because you can only eat off of stuff so much. We're coming into expiration. We don't want to be greedy. Go ahead and take the profit, run it to the bank. And for those of you that got the TWR Premium, you guys already know we went ahead and got into the YouTube trade. And those of you that watched my video yesterday, you guys know the ticker. And for those of you that might have missed it, here was the contract. We went ahead and pulled the trigger on this one today. You still might be able to catch this one. And if it looks good, don't be afraid to pull the trigger and go and attack. The TWR algos were absolutely fire today. Here's the NDX and the SPX scalping algos. Look at that, 22%, 17% coming off the gate from the very beginning. And the Terminator was just absolutely rocking it all day. There's another banger for 5% and 4% respectively. And then another one for 7% and 5%, 4%. Guys, you get the point, man. The TWR algos are absolutely fire. If the market's choppy, you follow Shiner. He's the scalper. Look at this. AMD quick scalp right there, $26. Who said you can't make money in choppy waters? Another one right there, Tesla, $297 out, $330, good for $33 profit. Shiner's the man when it comes to scalping the market. TLM had a good trade off of QQQ downtrending at the very beginning of the day. Took a trade on the short side from 147 all the way to 197. That's good for $50 profit. I ain't complaining about that any day of the week. And Mr. M had a fantastic penny stock trade right here off of some high volatility. This thing just took off like a rocket and just wasn't looking back, man. Absolutely fantastic penny stock trade. $100 to $1,000 per day is possible as a TWR market warrior. So quit wasting that money that's not making bank. Join TWR. The link is in the description. Stocks that I like. Okay, so here's how the chart's gonna go. Basically, you're gonna see 3 colors: purple, blue, and red. The purple, that's our battle zone, all right? Triggers on the high and the low that give us the idea of continuation to either our high target, which is blue, or our low target, which is red. Definitely gotta use these as trigger points and ideas because the volatility of the market can change the landscape in an instant, okay? So very cautious, head on a swivel, and be ready to attack. Here's some upcoming earnings going into Tuesday and Wednesday. Green boxes are things that have my attention. Really looking at UPS. I like Datadog, Rivian, Upstart, Twillo, and Celsius for some decent trades. First up, SPY. We got a strong push today, and I'm looking for continuation going into tomorrow's market, at least pushing into Thursday, where the CPI data comes out, and then Friday we got the PPI data. So looking for that push tomorrow, and hopefully go see if we can attack that 452 area. QQQ kind of bottomed out a little bit. It was being kind of volatile today. Saw a lot of sell-off in the big tech names. So it'll be interesting to see if that sell-off continues and this takes a little dump going to attack the lower levels, or if we see the bounce to the higher levels like we do in SPY. So I am bullish on this one. I think that we go up and we re-attack that 376, 378 area. So I'd be looking for long entries to go retest those higher levels. UPS, this is definitely one of the trades that we have for our August YouTube trades. I do like this chart. I like this for the push to the upside. It's a Dow stock. I think what we have here is we got some decent movement from the bottom, and I think we found support. So we're looking for the push into the blue area, and possibly if we can get some really good volume, we can break out of this area and go retest those 190s. Lily will be interesting. This thing doesn't move very much, but it does move a lot because it's an expensive stock. I would like to see this one probably, push to the downside a little bit. It's been on quite a run. I think it's due for a little bit of a cool down. Lily typically doesn't perform very well with earnings, so it probably will see a little bit of a slide going through earnings, but it could have some surprises and could pop up. So it'll be interesting to see how it is, and I'll be using the battle zones to pretty much gauge a potential entry for a long or a short. Twillo, I actually like this one for the push to the upside. It's been on kind of a tear here recently, but it's definitely way down from where it has been previously, kind of in consolidation zone. It's at the bottom latter part of that consolidation zone. Perfect priming zone for a potential push with some sort of catalyst like an earnings report. Now, if it underwhelms in its earnings report, we'll probably see this one drop down, and it could easily go 55 into the 50s, no problem. But I do think that we're going to get in line, if not decent earnings with some probably positive forward guidance. Probably see this push, and I'd like to see this pop out of this range into the 70s and see if we can start making a new higher high. Upstart definitely took a tumble. It was just $70 just like the other day, and it's all the way back in the 40s. This is a prime candidate for a bounce play. You got to be bullish on this one because it's dumped so dramatically here recently. So I'd be looking for the bounce play to push back up into the 50s. AMC, not sure what to think about this meme stock, but definitely looking through the battle zone. I'll be looking for probably the bullish push coming out of here. Not really into the meme stocks, but if I see the volume and see the push, we'll go ahead and go for the long entry. And finally, Rivian coming out of consolidation mode, and we're starting to lose those moving averages. Probably got another leg to the downside on this one unless we have spectacular earnings, but the EV sectors have not been doing so well. They have not been performing that well, so it'll be interesting to see how this one does. Now, this one is very popular. It has a strong institutional, so if they get in line or, they perform not so bad, then they'll probably push to the upside. But, looking at the chart, it does look like we're a candidate for some lower levels here off of a negative catalyst like an earnings report not being, overwhelming instead of being underwhelming. So be interesting to see what happens with the earnings report and see which direction we go. Upcoming products and services. And it's still not too late to sign up for TWR Levels Lady Training. Guys, yes, the training happened on Sunday, so the training is recorded version of it, but you still get access to the 5,000 challenge private chat group, okay? So this thing is for real, guys. We've already had multiple people today make $1,000. Last week, we had 3 people make $5,000. Multiple people make $2,000. This is for real. Quit wasting money that's not making money. Invest in yourself, join the team, and come trade with us. The link is right here. Go there now, get yourself educated, come over there, follow the alerts, follow the TWR bouncy ball, and come make that money with us. Now, if you want to sign up for all of August, I got a little bit of a discount for you, okay? This one right here opens up all of the private chat groups for the 5K challenge for all of August, and you get all of the live training as well. So definitely quit wasting that money, join TWR, and I'll see you guys on the 5K journey, and we'll make that money together. So I told you earlier I would give you guys a little bit more on what the Traders War Room University is all about. So we took 3 years of back testing and client and customer reviews on content and curriculum that we provided via our different platforms. We created our new digital online platform for the Traders War Room University, a virtual classroom environment that mimicked that of like traditional online education. The entire virtual classroom with discussion forums, so the students can talk with other students and they can talk with the teachers live. We also got the homework assignments are there inside of the digital classrooms. We have the virtual content with the videos. Everything is intuitive. And the greatest thing is that once you purchase one of the courses as a Traders War Room alumni, you get all the updates that we do quarterly with the content to keep it relevant for life. You are a Traders War Room alumni for life, and no other platform is offering that type of deal with a one type of purchase. Only Traders War Room. So definitely, I want to show you kind of what we have, give you guys a little brief understanding of what we got going on currently with the Traders War Room University, and I hope that you guys go to the website and you at least check it out and see what we have to offer. As you can see right here, our course structure is that every TWR course is a complete start to finish course. And what we wanted to do is we wanted to provide that in-depth learning experience so that it's easy to follow and simple to understand. The highlighted course I want to go over right now is the Traders War Room Options Trading 101. This is the fundamental options trading course that is equivalent to a 5-week trading course and will give you guys the basic skills and introduce some intermediate skills that all option traders must have. You'll learn how to pick the trades, understand the charts, read indicators, judge price action, decide when and where to enter and exit your trades, and you'll also get the emotional aspect and risk management aspect of protecting your capital investment when trading and investing. If you are serious about trading and investing, then this course is for you. And I hope you go to the website right here, you click the link, and you at least read what we have to offer, and you consider us for your trading and investing journey. Some upcoming courses that we have that are in the works: Crypto Trading 101, Penny Stock Trading 101, and Charting and Indicators 101. Eventually, the goal is to have intermediate and advanced level courses available as well, like level 202 or 303, just like a college. That is the whole goal, is structured education geared towards investing and trading. Traders War Room is your one-stop shop. Try our TWR one-to-one mentoring. Does the market have you feeling like this, or wanting to rip your hair out while you watch your account dwindle? If that's you, then Traders War Room has you covered. Our one-to-ones focus on you as a trader or investor. The Zoom session connects you with a TWR professional. Whether we're covering charts, developing a plan of attack, or being strategic and deep diving on the how, why, and execution of trade plans, TWR one-to-ones will give you the confidence to attack, conquer, destroy, and make the market bend the knee in 2023. Join TWR and bow to no one. Book your session today. The link is in the description or on the website at traderswarroom.com. Let's go to war. Quit wasting money that's not making money and join TWR today. We cover it all at Traders War Room, whether you're looking for stocks, options, futures, Forex, crypto, or even sports betting, or you want real-time alerts, live trading, algo signals, or even if you just want to be part of a community of like-minded investors to grow, learn, and share together as a team. Something for everyone, every budget, and every style. Join TWR today and trade with the bulls. The market is our war zone and stocks are the battle. Join TWR and let's go to war.
Pops, he a analyst, a veteran. And we ain't hating on them other dudes, we better than. I was down and then I learned about leveraging. And after that, I ain't never went red again. Green, right? It ain't bad, it just seemed like something wrong with you if you say we ain't tight. Get in and get out before you think twice. Let's have a toast, you bring the drinks and I'll bring ice. Defeat's nice in the traders war room. What you wanna do when the traders war room?